Most people set goals. Few actually hit them. But what if you had a system powered by AI that helps you plan your entire life and execute with precision? In this video, I'll show you how I use 5 cutting-edge tools to design my days, automate my time, and crush my goals in 2025. It starts with the big picture. I use Notion AI to map out my life areas, career, health, relationships, and then break them into quarterly and monthly goals. It even suggests step-by-step tasks for each. Next, I use Freeform and Miro to make sense of ideas. Freeform is where I brainstorm without structure. Miro helps me turn those thoughts into organized visual systems, great for goal trees, workflows, or habit maps. Every Sunday, I open Granola AI. It connects to my projects in Notion and suggests a weekly plan based on my goals, capacity, and routines. It even helps me adjust if I fall behind midweek. To make sure my days align with my goals, I use Reclaim AI. It takes all my to-dos and calendar events and auto-schedules them into my real calendar. No more wondering what to do next, it's already planned. At the end of each week or month, I run a Notion AI review. It helps me reflect on wins, failures, and learnings, and recalibrates my goals automatically based on how I'm progressing. You don't need more motivation. You need a smarter system. AI is here to help you stop procrastinating, start planning, and finally hit the goals that matter. This is how I do it, and now you can too. Comment your number 1 life goal for 2025, and let me know which AI tool you're adding to your routine. Hit subscribe for more weekly breakdowns of how AI can upgrade your life.